Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold edges higher ahead of US CPI data. Gold edges higher. So my dear friends, this is the chart of gold and we can see that after taking support around 3340 area, gold is going up. And today is an important day because of the CPI. As we all know, CPI is a major event that can change or give a direction to the market. And as we all know, highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. Theory is different, practical is different. So my dear friends, be careful, especially if you're a beginner, new trader, or trader with very low capital, because there's a high chance that due to extreme volatility, you may lose your capital. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money and your capital. Okay, and be careful. If you see that after CPI market has taken a direction, strong direction, then you can try to follow the trend of the market. But usually technicals do not work. That's a bitter reality. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And you can see that we have many lines here. So let's try to understand them one by one. So yesterday, as expected, market took support around 3340 area, 41 area. And after that, we can see the market is going up. So where are the reliable trades then? So my dear friend, today, if market takes support around, remember this level from yesterday? Yes, this level is still very much valid. 3331, 3300. This is still a strong support on the chart of gold where we can expect a good bounce. The second support on the chart of gold for the day is around 3319 to 16. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a good bounce. But the problem is CPI. As we all know that when there is a big news like NAP, CPI levels do not work. But if you see that there is not much volatility, then you can expect these to work. But before CPI, if you see market taking support, then there's a high chance that we should get a bounce of at least 70 to 80 pips. After CPI, chances are very less. Okay, but if you see that after CPI, there is not much volume because nowadays everything is possible, then you can expect the support to work. Okay, so these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if we get a chance. After news, chances are less that they will work, but before news, we have high hopes. Then if market breaks 3340 area, the low made by the market, we can look for a sell below it because the market is under little bit under pressure. So as a day trader, okay, we can look for a sell below this, especially after CPI. For example, if you see that after CPI dollar index is going up, DXY is going up, then there will be pressure on gold. Then you can look for a sell below 3340 area. Okay, chances are very less that we will get an opportunity before CPI, but after CPI, if market breaks 3340, we can look for a sell below it as well. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market goes down. You can see we have another purple line here. Let me explain this as well. In our last few weeks and months, we have seen that when nothing is working, price action is our best friend. So here, during the day, especially before CPI, okay, before the US session, if you see the market is trying to take support around 3351, 3350 area, then we can look for a support. Not only 335051, okay, is the previous resistance that will be working as support, but it also a round number psychological support as well. Moreover, we also have the 50 moving average. So before US session, we can expect that as a day trader, we can score 40 to 50 pips around 3351, 3350 area. Okay, so again, let me wrap it up. If market takes support, we can look for a buy. After CPI, if market breaks 3340, we can look for a sell. Though we have good support around these two areas, 3331, 3330, 331917. Okay, but chances are very less that we will get an opportunity. So 3 buy opportunities and 1 sell opportunities if market drops. But again, I'm repeating, at the time of news, nothing may work. You need to understand as a trader that okay, technicals do not work when news or fundamentals dominate the market. Do not gamble. And if you're wondering, Avilash, where the market is going, nobody knows where the market is going right now because the overall trend of the market is bullish. Okay, if you look at a daily chart, you can clearly see the market is bullish. Okay, but if you look at the present trend of the market, or if you observe the recent candles here, you can clearly see the market do not have any trend. Okay, so as a day trader, the market is choppy for you. But if you are on a swing trade, you're holding a buy, then you can still consider the market to be bullish. After a CPI, if market takes a direction, it will be very good for us. Okay, and the resistance of 3374, okay, is still very much present, and I don't I don't think so that it will be a very strong resistance. Overall, the chart of gold is bullish, so we can expect that eventually market should break 3374 area. If market does that, okay, we can look for a buy above it as well, a breakout trade. After CPI, if you see that gold is going up, then we can look for a buy above 3375, and gold will be heading towards 3400. Okay, to continue the upside, gold needs to break this particular area 3374. Then only we can expect that gold will be heading towards 3400. Gold doesn't have any trend right now. Gold is just trapping buyers and sellers. Okay, gold is on a killing mode, murder mode right now, so please be careful and try to stick to the levels. If you are a high risk scalper, if you love to go for high risk scalping, then also you can look for a quick selling for 30-40 pips around 3365. Personally, I'm not going to take this trade. Okay, I do not like to go for high risk trades. Okay, I'm a peace lover. Okay, I'm not a daredevil trader. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. And if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, please join, because if anything crazy happens, then obviously it won't be possible for me to upload the video. But yes, I do update here. So for free updates analysis, okay, feel free to join the Trader Next Door Academy. The link will be in the description. Okay, do not go and search, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. Okay, so please be careful. For example, this, you can see the Trader Next Door with 69,000 subscribers. It's a scam going on in my name. Then you can see this is also a big group with 29,000 subscribers. This is also a scam going on in my name. So please be careful. Okay, only join the community, okay, from the link in the description. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, because there's a chaos going on in India right now, okay, so you can check out the link in the description. You can go with StarTrader. StarTrader is not only one of the safest broker globally, but it also provides the lowest spread in the industry without any commission and hidden charges. Your spread will be only 17 on gold, and moreover, okay, if you're from India, अगर आप India से हो, you'll get a swap free account as well. Okay, so if you're looking for a reliable broker, okay, please join StarTrader for the link in the description. Bye bye.